So I have a competition coming up this June, and it will be a calisthenics competition. If you don't know what calisthenics is, you can do your own research and check what it is. And basically I'm going to participate in order to regain my pride as well as trust with myself. I participated in 3 other competitions and I have completely ruined my pride as well as probably respect of other people that were competing as well as the audience itself. And I will show you a few clips if I haven't already, so that you can imagine how it looked. And basically it's not ideal situation to be in, but at the same time it's a fuel which you can use if you have gone through a similar situation. You can use it to go forward, to push even harder, to reach different heights. And basically it's not going to be easy, and I'm not really participating in order to win because I don't have high hopes for that. But as I mentioned, I am participating to regain the trust which I have with myself. And trust as well as pride for a man is very important, because if you are someone who has set some sort of a goal or some sort of a habit to do every day and you don't do it consistently, you will naturally lose trust with yourself. You won't believe in yourself because you haven't achieved that goal even a single time. And so that way I want to regain the trust with myself. And also I have just because of that I have gained a huge masculine challenge which is keeping me motivated, and that's something you should do as well, because I'm not sure about that, but at the same time I am confident that I am doing or putting in more work than other people, than my competition, than people who are going to compete with me or against me. And basically not really in terms of how much I am training, but in terms of what I am doing with my other habits, which are the background of the training. So I'm really working and focusing on my diet as well as my overall daily routine, and I'm really putting in the work. And what's keeping me motivated is that masculine challenge, to basically do my best at that competition and finally basically rewrite the history. And so the point of this video was to mention that you as a man must have some sort of a masculine challenge or something to strive for and something to keep you driven, basically. And if it would be possible, then do it with a friend. Have or set a goal which you will achieve with a friend and do it as a competition, as a friendly competition. That way you will actually, both of you will push yourself, will push each other, and you will reach greater heights, because iron sharpens iron, which is a complete fact. And so if you don't have a masculine challenge or a goal, then definitely set one and push for it, or drive forward and reach that goal. It will be a huge motivation for you, and you will be at least 50% much more productive than you were without a goal. And so if you are interested, you can check that video next.